which is the cupboard area on top of my kitchen build. This is Hudson, he says hi. So the kitchen build there, you'd seen in a previous video, the cupboard that I've built on top of it is just for extra storage, and it's a bit easier to get to. Holds things like tea and coffee and sugar and some utensils and things like that. The inside of the cupboard luckily has quite a bit of room for the size of it. I did have to be careful about how big I was making the cupboard because I'm going to add a sink and an area for cooking, so that's potentially a hot plate or just my gas grill. Next I'll show a bit of a preview of the back in more detail. So the edges there that you can see are the aluminium strip that I mentioned, just makes it look a bit nicer and more finished. The cupboards at the bottom I didn't show too much of in the previous video about the kitchen build, and I'm just going to show here the amount of space that is actually under the cupboard. To be honest, a lot of it will be taken up by water cans or the electrics in the end, but it reaches right through to the bottom of the seats, which I briefly mentioned in another video. So overall it looks pretty good next to the seating area.